If you work in LibreOffice Writer and want a clearer view of what's happening inside your document, this quick tutorial is going to help. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on formatting marks in LibreOffice Writer so you can see hidden symbols like spaces, paragraph marks, and line breaks. This is super useful when you're cleaning up document formatting, fixing spacing issues, or trying to understand why text looks the way it does. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open your Writer document in LibreOffice Writer. You can do this by launching LibreOffice and opening an existing document, or starting a brand new file if you want to practice along with me. Once your document is open, look at the top menu bar. This is where you'll find all the main options you need to control how your document looks. Now click View in the top menu. The View menu controls what you see on the screen, including display options that don't change your actual document content. After you click View, look for the option called Formatting Marks. This is the setting that reveals all those hidden, non-printing characters that are normally invisible while you type. Go ahead and click Formatting Marks. As soon as you turn it on, you'll start seeing symbols appear in your document. These can include dots or other markers for spaces, paragraph signs at the end of paragraphs, and line break indicators. Don't worry if it looks a little crowded at first. That's completely normal. These marks are only there to help you understand the structure of your text more clearly. This feature is especially helpful if you're trying to fix extra spaces, remove unwanted line breaks, or make sure your formatting is consistent throughout the document. It can also save you a lot of time when you're editing long text because you can immediately spot where spacing problems are coming from, instead of guessing. If you ever want to hide the formatting marks again, just go back to View and click Formatting Marks one more time to turn it off. It works like a toggle, so you can switch it on whenever you need it and switch it off whenever you want a cleaner view. And that's it. You've now learned how to show formatting marks in LibreOffice Writer in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want to see more LibreOffice tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.